Morning. Hey puppy. Hey. Hey, I've got my hands full, I'm sorry. One of the differences today is we're starting in the mountains. So it's supposed to be like 30 degrees today, but because we're in the mountains, it's bloody cold. And the bike's all wet. Oh!
Morning.
Cold?
Yeah.
You need to get your pillion to wipe your seat down for you. It's handy.
Just for that, do me first.
After dropping my crash helmet last night as well.
That was a mistake.
Kat decided to drop my crash helmet on gravel. Brand new crash helmet. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
How's it going?
Yeah, all good, man.
Ready for today?
I am, yeah.
How many? 8 passes?
Yeah, so we're doing the big 4 passes in Dolomites,
Right.
plus a load of small ones as well.
6 hours on the road. That's without stops. I think that'll get the message across. Let's go. This Paso Uzi. Shut up, Nathan. Gonna have to get the drone up. Throw my drone up, had to be limited because there's some military para jumping going on, so I had to be a bit careful. But this wasn't even one of the 4 big passes. What are the 4 big ones?
No, the 4 big passes, one of which we've done Pordoy. Then
Did that last night, Pordoy.
Did that last night and first this morning. And then we got Paso Gardena.
Yeah.
Which we'll probably be doing last today. So Campolongo.
Okay.
And then Paso Sella, which I believe is the main Dolomites.
Right, I've got to save your drone batteries.
Something has absolutely bitten the shit out of my chest.
You'll be very red.
It's
It caught me, it's a bit stingy, you know.
all over. Oh, I am on fire!
Right, reloading up, ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
What'd you do?
Kickstand on his foot.
Put a kickstand on your foot.
If I had a top tip, I'd probably say don't do that.
Oh, guess what I just did? Set the stand, kickstand's out, right on my toe.
I don't think I have to tell you that, but it hurts. when
It
you do
does.
that. Shouldn't do it.
No, it's not good. Don't do it at home, folks.
of all the paint that's chipped off and cat dropping my helmet on the gravel last night. Of my nice brand new helmet. They cost lots of money.
I didn't realise it was that bad. I didn't mean to, it slipped out my hand.
Mountains there, look, mountains. Pretty cool, isn't it? Truck there, I couldn't park over there in gravel. I'll show you the best views, mate. I always do. So many little towns constantly, and they've got the little crossings, and I am not paying attention to them. I haven't almost killed anyone, but I really should be letting more people go than I am. I'm working on it, Just seen out of my wing mirror, a cat is currently trying to change the GoPro battery whilst we're riding with a broken finger. Nathan found the route on like a Dolomites touring website, so I put it on my route planner thing, thinking he was then going to be like, look, that's the gist of it, that's what they've said, and then finalise it to suit us. And it looks like he's just like, yeah, fuck it, thinking I've done that, and we haven't done that. Well, we have no idea what's going on with the route. We think we're on track, but it all just seems a bit odd, so we're going to continue with what the sat-nav says. Stop off, I think Nathan needs a sandwich. I'm going to crack on. 3 hours to 53 miles. It's always the last 50 miles. It's always the last 50 miles. I think people are getting a little bit touchy about today and the route's going a bit wrong. Now we've kind of got a bit more back on track. Now we're going to get a sandwich and we're about to tell the route we're going on. We've actually shaved an hour off. Now it's only saying it's 2 hours left to be finished. So I'm waiting for the right time to drop the news. People need to cheer up a little bit. Then I'll let them know. Grumpy pumps. Now we've got a traffic light for me. Sick. Turn you off so you haven't got to watch dead air, but if I take my hands off the brakes I'll fall. Here we go, he'll start. Now, I won't hear any different. What's your fucking problem? What's your fucking problem?
So I'm just.
You're lucky the sun's blocking out.
Can you face it towards you again? I just like if viewer cam.
The people love me, Nate.
How's your exhaust?
Dunno.
There's the direct thing.
Where's me dink? Oh no!
It's a match your helmet.
Right, do people want the good news?
Yeah, give us the good news.
Had a little detour now that we're not doing all the little silly little bits and bobs.
Oh.
We've shaved an hour off.
Oh, cool.
So we've only got an hour and 20 minutes left.
Right, cool. See, and that hour and 20 minutes is pretty much going to be the big passes, right?
We hope.
According to that guess I just did.
That guess. So it'll be an hour, or maybe an hour and 20 till we at least get home. And then if we want to do the pass, then we'll have to continue up and do the pass. Today started off really, really well, and then went into a big route of not that much.
So at the end of the day there'll be a flare.
What are we doing tomorrow? Lake
Garda.
Lake Garda.
Yeah.
Sure it's not the River Thames.
I mean, like the Oxford bit, like the nice bit.
Still done a good job, mate.
Oh, thank you. Got sun cream going in my eye now.
Right, after a successful stop off, we've had some sugar and we are sweating our balls off. So now we're going to get on the road. We should have about an hour and 20, hour and a half left, let's say. Hopefully that includes the pass. And then we're done for the day. Oh yeah, Jack. And Kat's cooking. You cooking?
Yep.
Yeah, you are.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Right, so we're now heading back to where we're staying. We have to go past that. Do the two main passes we've got left and then past the hotel. Let's not look too deep into it about what the whole day's been, and let's just get to the passes. We're stopping up at the hotel quick win. It's quite possible this 6-hour day could be turned into Saturday 3. People seem to be a bit more cheery now. Before we came downhill, when we got to the top and started coming down the hill where there was that little weird roundabout, there was a big sign that said Passo del Gardena. No, it was like a landmark point of you're here dickheads. Right, so we're at the bottom of the passes. I reckon that was Gardena Pass. I reckon it was Sella on the way up and Gardena on the way down. Nathan thinks that was just Sella Pass, but he's used to being wrong, so it won't be that much of a blow to him.
We're there, Gardena Pass is here. So on the way back, SS243, take a left, Stella Pass. So Stella Pass is what we've gone through, and then Gardena Pass is that way.
Oh, well, I'll follow you then.
Oh.
He's still wrong. So apparently this is Gardena Pass. So apparently we've already done this pass, but I don't know. The Dolomites are beautiful, but they're all looking very similar. Oh, oh, that made my heart go then. I thought that was it. Fucking hell. Apparently we've done this pass already, so we'll start turning back up. Going to the cellar. we're doing the cellar pass, back up to the top, stop off. So we didn't do this pass today then? I don't know what the hell's happened today. Right, we're turning around and then we're going to go back up to the cellar pass to the top and take some photos and maybe get the drone up. And then we're going home and having lots of Jack Daniels. Told you we'd done Gardena before.
Did you? I thought you said this was Gardena.
It is, mate. Got a sign over there. It says Gardena.
It's spelled Gardena.
It says Gardena.
So Gardena.
It says Gardena.
Yeah, that's not saying. You've got the Gardena region. You've got the.
This says Gardena, mate.
Pretty sure your arguments are reliable.
Oh, what was that?
Pretty sure your arguments are reliable. It's not past Paso Gardena.
But it's still Gardena. Look, I didn't make the signs, mate. Just saying.
So,
But have we or have we not done Gardena before?
it's not this one. If that's
But
what it is.
had we or had we not done Gardena before?
We did it before, yeah. But you also said. But you
I
also
was
said
right.
this was Gardena.
No, look, appreciate your time. Obviously, I was right. So that is the end of day 9. We are going to try and get a night lapse and have some Jack Daniels and some dinner, and we will see you tomorrow. Today's been a good day. We got a bit lost on the route. Turns out most of the passes we wanted were right next to us the whole time. But we live and we learn. So thanks for watching, think about subscribing, and we'll catch you next time. Shave your balls, not your face.